lovely property today in Woburn Road. It's a dormer bungalow. It's got plenty of parking on the drive, but also in the garage, which is slightly bigger at the back than at the front, so you could use it as a workshop too. The gardens are really good size, mostly laid to lawn with some lovely shrubs and stuff around, as is the front. It's gravelled, fairly easy to maintain, but you know, it is quite big. Lots of hedges to cut and stuff as well, so once it's done, it does look absolutely fantastic. Inside you've got open plan living on the ground floor with a little conservatory on the back, and then upstairs you've got 3 bedrooms, 1 ensuite created from a little extension that our vendors have added to the property over their years of ownership. So watch the video and then come and have a look.